Have another go, Jake.
Nick minute.
Oh, dude! I missed it.
My boy Gary, we're here in 2022 in a fine, beautiful day. This will be. Oh, he snapped his clutch now. Fucking hell, Jay.
My clutch is gone.
Dude, you're hard enduro, man.
Yeah, it's fine.
Bit wobbly.
Do you have a spare at yours after you this weekend? Or else I can't ride.
Yes, you can. Watch this. I will not use my clutch. Watch this. Let's see. Oh, what is it trying on right there?
Yeah, well then let's
Come get a video of this, guys.
Oh, okay.
Jake, watch this. So big man's just snapped his
Oh,
clutch
dude.
here and he's
And
just
the
snapped his
brake.
brake over there.
Jake, what do you got to say for yourself, man?
Fuck.
Holy shit,
dude.
this is a great weekend, boys!
Somewhere around there.
Look at the, he just snapped that 2 seconds ago as well.
Help it up.
Man, help him.
Big push for you,
Help him with the bike.
Come on, dude. Oh yeah.
So, are you going to try
So we got all the
course
people
again?
out here. We got them all out.
Yeah. Sweet as.
You.
What's
Oh.
yours on its side, Gary?
You haven't got a stand. Don't worry about it.
You. I'll pick this one up. No worries.
Oi, Jake, try your enduro course. It's not going to snap anything.
Are you going to have another go? Is that it?
Come on, redemption.
No, that's it for tonight.
No,
Alright.
redemption. You can't snap anything else.
Yeah, I can. The fucking neck.
Come on, Gary. You've got to do it.
Hang on.
For the build.
You can start it and then just...
Wait, I can drill a hole right there and zip tie it to my frame.
Okay.
You need a whole new thing, man.
Yeah, eventually. But
Go, Jake. Send
Oh,
it.
you just need a new lever.
yeah.
No, he
actually,
doesn't even need a clutch. Look at this, Gary.
Yeah, well,
Chano, watch Chano.
if I want to get it out of gear,
My clutch is here, boys.
what?
Kick without the clutch.
oh my goodness.
Ram.
Bit more, give it some more berries, son.
Yes.